Let's also factorize this expression. So we have 10m squared equals to 41m plus 45. Now to solve this, so you have 10m squared equals to 41m plus 45. And the first thing to do is to bring this the values here at the right hand side back to this side. So you have 10m squared minus 41m. What will become minus? So you have minus 45 to be equals to what? To 0. Notice there, any number. Now, so you need to find the sum of the root and the product. So the sum of root is minus 41. And the product, now remember I told you that you multiply ES squared plus BS plus C equals to 0. And this is the general expression for a quadratic equation. Now, to find the product, you multiply the coefficient of S squared, which is A, by the constant value. So from here, the coefficient of this S squared, which is M squared here, is 10. The constant value is minus 45. So when you multiply both together, it will give you minus 450. Now, the next thing to do is to look for two values. Now, in which when you add the two values together, it will give you minus 41. And when you multiply the two values together, it will give you 450. Now, the two possible values are 50 and 9. Minus 50 and plus 9. Now, how do you convert these two values? Now, sometimes you need to base your calculation on this 450, the product. Just divide it. Now, when you divide 450 by 9, you have this 50 without any remainder. Now, your 50 plus 9, your minus 50 plus 9 will give you 45. And your minus 50 multiplied by plus 9 will give you 450. So you come back to this expression. So you have 10m squared. So from here you have minus 50m plus 9m minus 45 to equal to 0. So your minus 50m plus 9m will give you minus 41m. So you bring the first two values together and the last two values. So you have 10m squared minus 50m minus 50m. So you have plus 9m minus 45 equals to 0. Now when you expand this expression, you will get this. And when you expand this expression too, when you open this bracket, you also get this. Now, let's bring out the common factors. The common factor here, 10 can go in 50 without any remainder. So we have 10 and also have n. n is common. So this will be n minus 5. When you expand this, 10m times multiplied by m, it give you 10m squared. And 10m multiplied by minus 5, it give you minus 50. So from this side also, 9 can divide both. So 9 is common. So you have n minus 5, which is equals to 0. So you bring the two expressions outside together. So you have 10m plus 9. And you pick only one of these. So you have m minus 5, which is 0. So it's either you have 10 minus 9 to be 0. I mean, 10m minus 9 to be equal to 0, or m minus 5 to be 0. So from here, you have m to be what? Minus 9 divided by 10, or m to be equals to 5. So these are the two possible values from this expression.